The lawn is looking great for this time of year, except for this kid pool that was left in this one spot here. It's all dead. After seeding the front yard last year, I had a couple of bare spots left over. And I can never get grass to grow right along the edge of the road here. Nothing but crabgrass ever really grows here. I have a solution to this, I think. Let me introduce you to TurfMend. This is a bare spot patch repair product that's got grass seed, fertilizer, and peat moss and a few other magical things mixed into the bag here to ensure that you get good even germination. Now, you saw my spring seeding video a few months ago where I took my individual seeds, scattered it around on the ground, and I covered it with peat moss. Well, this is kind of an all-in-one product, so it makes sure that you have good moisture retention on your seed for if you're repairing a bare spot. So it's got the seed built in, it's got a whole bunch of different stuff. We'll have to open this up and see what's all inside of it, but this comes in several different grass types. This one in particular is straight Kentucky bluegrass. This has the yellow jacket coating on it, which helps maintain moisture on the seed itself. So you can see that here on the seed, it's got like a kind of like a coating on it. There's a few different seed companies that do that in smaller bags. So we're going to try this product out. I'm going to show you how to apply it. It's super easy. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit over our bare spots like over here, and then we'll come back in a couple of weeks and see what our germination results look like. Guys, please support this company. It's a small American company located right here in the country. It's a small company that's family owned. These guys are really good. So you can order this from GCI Turf if you'd like. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get right into it. A little dusty. That's to help with moisture retention. So this is kind of like a pelletized stuff here. You can kind of see that. This is not really peat moss, but it's like a pelletized form. So that is what retains your moisture for you. Let's get a close-up of that. Kentucky bluegrass seed is very tiny, so it's hard to see, but these little pellets here, it's got like some, I don't know what that is, but some sort of proprietary formula that's supposedly going to hold in the moisture for a really long time and help us get fast germination. The instructions on the bag are dead simple, so we're just going to follow those. It says remove dead grass. I'm just going to give the ground a light rake because this is very compacted from having a pool on top of it. So this is going to be a perfect test candidate to see how well it comes up here in this extremely compacted ground. You can see all the cracks and stuff on the dirt there. And it says apply evenly. I don't know how much, but we'll just give it a nice even layer and then water it. So let's get right to it. Like I said, rock hard. And if you're filling in a bare spot directly into your lawn that's not compacted like this, you just have to remove the dead grass on top, or just fill it in directly over the bare spot. But we'll give it the best chance for germination here. I guess that's even, isn't it? I've explained in the past, you don't want to oversaturate anything, but just for the initial watering, for everything to get soaked in, I think that's good. You don't want it to puddle, you don't want your seed or anything to run down the hill, but this stuff looks like it's going to hold the seed in pretty good, so even if you do get a heavy downpour, I don't think your seed's going to wash away as easily as it would if it were just bare seed directly on the soil, because those chunks in there is what's going to hold in the moisture. It's what's going to prevent it from flowing down a hill. So if you're applying this on a slope, in theory you should have better germination rates as well. So I have a couple areas I'm going to apply this. This is a partial sun area. I've also got a full sun area out in the front, so we're going to see what the difference is with the results between where we're actually putting the TurfMend. So we'll try it in a couple spots and we'll compare the results after about a week or two, and we'll come back and make a future video and see what the germination looks like. This is such a simple and fast process to patch something. You don't have to worry about mixing things or putting down a really huge dust cloud of peat moss. I'm barehanded and my hands are mostly clean. When I did the peat moss, I had to take a shower afterwards, so already I'm liking this product. I'll show you how fast it is. I roughed this up a little bit before, but I only took 30 seconds to do it. Pull a couple of these weeds out of here. It's not even perfect. Spread a couple of scoops of this. And I'll put it down thinner here and we can test the difference. I put it down a little thicker on that other area, so I'll put it down real thin here. How long did that take me? Less than a minute? This area is going to be the ultimate test, because that right there, that's all crabgrass I dug up. This gets the most amount of sun and heat and the least amount of water. So we're going to test it out here. So again, the link for purchasing this will be in the description below. You can go to GCI Turf to order it, or visit turfmend.com. As always, leave a comment below and hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Until next time, thanks for watching.